was surrounded by 25 men. Nothing but a newspaper in my wallet. Boy, you wouldn't know it, but I took down all 25 of those guys in less than 60 seconds with my newspaper and a credit card. They'll never... Oh. Hello. How's it going? Oh, suppose I should use this, huh? Probably should introduce myself. My name is Major Stormhammer. I am a former military, covert operations. I'd make Liam Neeson blush, if you know what I mean. Currently working private security. Former bodyguard for Kid Rock from 1999, 2004. Former U.S. Marshal, 2005 to 2006. Math professor emeritus at Oxford Community Center, Oxford, Idaho. Also, I was the head chief of staff of the House of Pain in Turkey, Oklahoma. And currently also substitute teacher, filling in for, what's his name? Mr. Stevenson. Looks like we are talking converting fractions here today. This should be child's play for someone like you. Complete child's play for someone like me. So maybe we should get right to it now that we've made our nicey-niceys. And you guys can learn something new. Well, we're using pizza here to teach you how to convert improper fractions and mixed numbers. And at the first stage of that is how to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. These are typical fraction skills. Incredibly easy. You'll figure it out quick. Now, we're using this pizza right here, and we're going to use this fraction right here, 5 2/3. So what we want to do is we want to convert that baby into an improper fraction. And how you do that is pretty simple. Look, we're using all these pizzas down here, and this looks like my kind of pizza right here. Straight up meat lovers. None of that there rabbit food on the pizza. Nothing but straight meat. And I have 5 pizzas, whole ones, right here. And as you can see, there's 2/3 of a pizza right here, split into thirds. And there's 2 of them. That makes 2/3 now, doesn't it? The heck was that? Bug? Yeah, just a bug. Anyway, all this is simple. All I gotta do is break down this pizzas all into thirds. Simple. Look at this. Thirds, thirds, thirds. Thirds everywhere. There's a third, there's a third. How many thirds we got? Count them up. We got thirds here. Breaking them down. So easy. So simple. Now count them. How many did you count? Don't be shy now. Just say it out loud. You're not gonna wake your mama? Your daddy? Now I'm gonna count up all these thirds. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 thirds. Yeah, 17 thirds. Now that was too easy. This is the kind of stuff you're learning. What grade is this? Now, I'm going to take 5 2/3. Seventeen thirds. Simple. Easy. Count up all the parts. That's easy. Now, let's take all these pizzas. Just slide them right on over here. Get them out of the way. Let's try another one. Let's do 2 5/8. Now, I just showed you how you do it with, picture. But what if you don't have a picture? What if I don't have 2 5/8 pizzas? How are you going to do it then, huh? Well, can you do it? I certainly hope so. I think that thing stuck in my teeth, whatever that was, whatever that bug was that I ate. Now, of course, there's a trick to doing these problems. If you don't have pizza slices, that won't be so convenient now, would it? No. So, what you're gonna do? Simple. You're gonna combine these numbers like this. Okay, now just watch carefully. You take this number right here, which is called the denominator, and you multiply it times your whole number. So 8 times 2 is 16. And then you are going to add it to that number. So 8 times 2 is 16. 16 plus 5 is what? If you said 21, you done good. Hopefully you said 21, otherwise you were embarrassing yourself, kid. So we're going to put that number up here in what we call the numerator. Okay, so the bottom number in a fraction is called the denominator. The top number is called the numerator. So I do 8 times 2 plus 5. I get 21. My denominator right here. Well, now that stays the same. See? 21/8. No big deal. No big deal for someone like you, that is. However, what if we were going to convert our improper fractions to mixed numbers? The other way around, see? Well, that's going to be a little bit different, isn't it? Now, let's take 10/4, and we're going to convert that into a mixed number. See, mixed numbers look like this right here, and this like right here. And these are improper fractions because the numerator is bigger than the denominator. In this case, the 10 is bigger than the 4, so it's improper. Here I have 1/4 of a pizza, right here. Okay? So, if I were to start duplicating this baby, how many of these would I need to make a whole pizza? If, and this is a big if, you said 4 makes a whole pizza, then you were correct. 4 make a whole pizza. So I can put those together. Turn them around. Okay, just like that. Makes one whole pizza. Ooh, that's looking mighty tasty right there too, isn't it? Yeah. Do that. And slide that last piece of pizza right in there. It's starting to look like a Chuck E. Cheese pizza where nothing fits. You know what I'm saying? You guys know what I'm saying. Anyway, so there's my whole pizza, right? So 4 pieces makes a whole. How many more pieces do I need? So technically I need, if I make another whole pizza right here, watch this. And I duplicate this baby. Now I have 8 pieces of pizza, don't I? I'm going to split this up. Okay, so now I have 8 pieces of pizza, but that's not enough. I need 10. Isn't that what we said? 10/4. So, I'm going to put those together so they match up. So what do I have here? Put them all together. What do you got? I got 2 whole pizzas, don't I? And then what? I either have 2/4 or I have a half. When you say that's a half a pizza right there? That's right. Well played, sir. Or madam. We'll say madam. So 10/4 is also equal to 2 whole pizzas and a half. That's how you do improper fractions to mixed numbers. Now, how do you do it? What's the trick if you don't have pizza conveniently set out for you here like yours truly, Major Stormhammer, laid out for you? Okay, what if you didn't have that? So that's the thing. Move that out of here. What if you had something else? Say you had 21 nines, huh? Then what are you gonna do? You ain't got a pitcher? Huh? You gonna panic? Huh? You gonna panic? No, you're not gonna panic. You're gonna learn how to do it. No panicking. Alright. So, pretty simple. What you're gonna do is you're gonna divide it out. Since fractions are just division problems anyway, you're just gonna divide it out. You're gonna go 21, and you're gonna divide it by 9. Now, I hope you learned division in class, because if you didn't, this is gonna be impossible. I know they tell you sometimes, they say nothing's impossible unless you put your mind to it. I don't know about that stuff. You know, sometimes I'd like to lift a truck right up over my head. Yeah, I know maybe it's not impossible if I'm driving some kind of heavy machinery, but what can I say? Now, anyway, back to the division problem. So we have 21 divided by 9 right here, okay? How many times does 9 go into 21 without going over? What I think I'm going to have to do here is I'm going to have to slide this baby down just like that. Yep, you got it. Alright. What did you say? 9 goes into 21 how many times? I hope you said 2. Okay? It's 2. 2 times 9 is 18. And I subtract and I get 3 left. Here's the trick, kids. That remainder there, you're not going to deal with that differently than you have in the past. You're just going to make it into a fraction, and you're going to take that remainder right here. Let's circle it. How about put a little cutesy circle around that baby? That thing is going to go right there. So I get a 3 up here. And my denominator right here, 9, that stays the same, see? So 2 and 3/9. However, 2 and 3/9 is also equal to 2 1/3. So there's my answer. Pretty simple. No big deal. I think anybody can do it. I think you can do it. I suppose if you're going to have questions, you're going to have to contact somebody. Well, I hate to tell you this, but you're not going to find me. If I don't want to be found, you're not going to find me. In fact, I technically don't even exist to good old Uncle Sam, so you're going to have to find somebody else. Maybe talk to your teacher, Mr. Stevenson or something, but you're not going to find me. As you were.